In this short video, I'm going to show you how to disable DMs on TikTok. This works for both iOS and Android devices, so you can follow along on either, and it's pretty easy to do, so let's get started. Okay, so first things first, what you need to do, of course, is open your TikTok app and make sure you are logged in. Now, when you get to your For You page, you need to press on the Me tab at the bottom right of the screen, and you'll be taken to your profile page, just like this. When you get here, you need to tap on the three dots or lines at the top right of the screen, and you'll see your settings and privacy. At this point, you just want to tap on privacy. Now scroll down to the safety section, and you should see direct messages just under here. So just tap on that. Now you will see who can send you direct messages, and by default, it will be on friends, but to completely disable direct messages, you need to tap on no one. But as you can see up here, it says with any option, you will receive messages from people that you have already sent messages to. But what you can do to stop getting these notifications for those messages is go back again, scroll down to content and activity, and then press on push notifications. Scroll down to messages and turn direct messages off like this. So that's how you completely disable DMs on TikTok. If this video helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.